Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can install the Workona application or extension in your Chrome web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm here on Workona and I'm logged into my account, and you can see the Workona tab here in the top left. And before I explain how using it works, this is how installing it as an extension works. So what you want to do is navigate to the homepage of Workona, and you can use it, for example, on Google Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. So let me select this one here for Add to Chrome. You can, of course, select another option by accessing Workona through one of these browsers. And after that, you may click into this button or into that here in the top right corner. Or alternatively, guys, you may simply navigate to the Chrome Web Store, navigate to extensions, and use the search bar here to look for Workona. And after that, you will see that Add to Chrome button. It is removed from Chrome for me because I have already installed it. But if you from the homepage, for example, click into this button, you will be redirected to that extensions button here, and you may install it on Chrome. And after that, it will be installed here as an extension. It will also ask you for permission to be installed on Google Chrome. And once it's done, guys, you will see the Workona extension installed in Google Chrome. If you click into that extensions button here, it will be listed there so that you may pin it, for example, to your taskbar. Click into these three dots, for example, to remove it, or to navigate, to manage it from your extension center. And that's basically it. Now, if you, for the first time, log into Workona afterwards by clicking into that extensions button here, Workona will ask you to sign up, for example, with an email address or with your Google/Gmail account. So I have done that so that you may start working on spaces and adding tabs that are open in your current browser. As you can see, for that space here, Workona added these tabs that have been open here on Chrome automatically to that list of tabs so that I can manage them from here, use them for various projects, and access them simply by accessing Workona here through the extension. You will see it as a separate tab in the top left, or you may simply turn it on or off through your extensions. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. That's how you install Workona extension on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.